Hi, so my name is Dinaba. I want to tell you a little bit about my journey with Kerri and one-on-one coaching. I sought Kerri out for one-on-one individual coaching because I had done her programs before, the programs where you kind of do it at your own pace. You hear the audios and such. And I had followed her on YouTube. I thought she was amazing already. I love her attitude and just her spirit. But I thought it was time for me to really get down to what I individually need as singers. We each have our challenges and they're different. So I did. And I'm so glad that I did. Kerri, first off, she just really honed in on like what I as a singer was doing that maybe wasn't particularly healthy for my voice. And she really helped me break down the warm-ups, right? We tend to warm up and that's great, but sometimes we don't take those technicalities of the warm-ups and apply them to our singing, and that's what I wasn't doing. And she really helped me transition that, the warm-ups into my singing when I'm about to hit a high note or if I'm singing too low for myself. She really helped me identify those things, and I immediately heard a difference. Like the first session, I heard a difference from what I did at the beginning to where I was at the end of the first session. And so I can't recommend it enough. If you are considering it, if you're thinking about it, just know that it's individual. She definitely forms the sessions to what you need as an individual singer. And I promise you will hear a major difference just in the first session. But then altogether, just to hear back on your first session once you're done or once you're, a few sessions in, you can see, wow, I've really made some progress. And that's what Kerri does. And she builds your confidence. She helps you build your confidence and feel better as a singer each time. And so I can't recommend it enough. If you're thinking about it, I say take the step. I'm actually looking forward to having sessions with her in the future again, because, growth is just something that we need as singers, and it's never enough. So I just completely recommend her. Kerri's the best, and I can't wait to hear your story.